Looking for the best treadmill for your home? Whether you're starting your fitness journey, training for better endurance, or staying active without leaving the house, the right treadmill can make all the difference. In this video, we've selected the best home treadmills that offer excellent performance, comfort, and value to help you reach your fitness goals with confidence. Number 1. NordicTrack 1750. The NordicTrack Commercial 1750 for 2026 brings answers to many of the questions folks have had about this model for years. And in my experience, this has always been among the top-selling home treadmills for good reason. This year though, the NordicTrack gang really came through with a larger 4.25 chp motor, a flatter screen, and an iFit upgrade that lets you engage Netflix and Spotify while working out. I've been using a Commercial 1750 for years, but this 2026 model is different and significantly improved. This treadmill includes a smooth and quiet 4.25 chp motor which powers a 12% incline and -3% decline to tone your lower body, as well as a 16 HD iFit-enabled touchscreen which pivots for interactive training on or off the machine. The screen on all NordicTracks coming out this year is markedly different than past models. It's much flatter, more like a tablet. The new iFit program also comes an AI coach which can help you design new workouts based on past performance. Number 2. Horizon T101. Many people just want a low-cost treadmill on which they can jog 3 or 4 times a week. No big flashy screens or high-tech programs, just walking and jogging to music. If that's what you're seeking, I'd recommend giving the Horizon brand a good look, and the T101 in particular. Right off the bat, this is a folding treadmill which only measures 71x34x57 at a machine weight of just 180 pounds. That said, it sports up to 300 pounds of user weight. The tread deck is 20x55 which isn't going to work for long-distance runners, but for those who like walking or jogging workouts it'll work great. The Horizon T101 is a standout in the sub-$700 category because it balances a usable running surface with a remarkably space-efficient design. It occupies about the same floor space as a standard 2-seater sofa, making it a perfect fit for smaller home gyms or shared living areas. Meanwhile, the unit comes with built-in programs including calorie, distance, fat burn, hill climb, intervals, and manual. Heart rate can be monitored by way of integrated sensors in the handlebar or Bluetooth, and data is read on the small screen with 3 LED windows. An integrated tablet holder built into the top for either a tablet or smartphone. If you're looking for a simple workout, the Horizon options are top of the line. Since I can manually adjust the resistance, they're perfect for any self-designed workout routines. Number 3. Wellfit TM037. Many people just want a low-cost treadmill on which they can walking while watching television. Given the small size of this walking pad, which reminds me of a step aerobics board, you're not going to be running any marathons on it. But you can walk all night long, that's for sure. I've had no problems at all adjusting the incline up and down 5% while walking and watch television. Right off the bat, this is walking pad which allows you to pop up arms into a folding treadmill. The unit itself measures about 2 feet by 3 feet and weighs only 45 pounds. It can theoretically sport up to 325 pounds. That said, I'm over 200 and it does work great for me, but I'd question someone at 300 pounds being stable on such a narrow tread. I wear size 11 shoes and as you can see in the picture above, I might struggle if they were size 13s or larger. Meanwhile, the unit comes with a remote control as well as voice activation. You can read your metrics either on the LED screen at the foot, or if you pop up the arms you can read them on the lit screen. The Wellfit lineup also comes with its own fee-free app. Number 4. Matrix TF50. When it comes to selecting the absolute best folding treadmill for home gyms, the Matrix TF50 completely redefines what space-saving fitness equipment can be. Many folding models compromise on structural integrity to allow for storage, but the TF50 feels incredibly solid, mirroring the premium, club-quality experience you expect from a commercial facility. Built with a heavy-duty, industrial-grade steel and aluminum frame weighing nearly 350 pounds, it stays perfectly grounded without a hint of shaking or rocking, even when you push the pace into intense sprint intervals. It successfully handles a massive 400-pound weight capacity, providing peace of mind and unmatched overall stability that easily places it at the top of its class. A major highlight of the Matrix TF50 is the brand's unique approach to personalization through its versatile choice of consoles. Instead of forcing you into a single interface, Matrix allows you to choose from 4 distinct display tiers to match your specific tech preferences and budget. You can opt for the simple, straightforward XR Classic LCD screen if you prefer a distraction-free workout, or step up to the immersive XR, 10-inch, XIR, 16-inch, or top-tier XUR, 22-inch, high-definition touchscreens. These advanced touchscreen options feature crisp displays, integrated high-fidelity speakers, an HDMI port for device mirroring, a built-in web browser, and native entertainment apps like Netflix alongside an active iFit membership compatibility to bring elite virtual coaching straight into your living room. Number 5. Soul TT8. Elevate your fitness journey with our Soul TT8 treadmill. Featuring a powerful 4.0 HP motor, this incline treadmill powers your workout seamlessly on the expansive 22-inch by 60-inch running surface. This walking and running treadmill offers an array of fitness programs, including manual, hill, fat burn, cardio, strength, HIIT, 10K, custom, HRC*2, fit, test *7, and template *12. Tailor your treadmill workouts to your goals. The Soul TT8 offers a wide treadmill incline and decline range from -6 to 15 levels, providing diverse terrain simulation for a challenging and effective workout experience. Take command of your treadmill workout with a speed range from 0.5 to 12 miles per hour, 1 to 22 kilometers per hour. Whether you're walking, jogging, or sprinting, you have control over your Soul treadmill's pace. Adjust it to match your goals effortlessly. Please ensure your contact information and preferences are up to date so the carrier can reach you to schedule delivery. Otherwise, your shipment may be subject to delivery without an appointment. This item ships via freight with curbside service only, and delivery timing is coordinated directly with the carrier. Assembly services, if selected, are not affiliated with Soul Fitness.
Thank you for watching.
Like, comment, and subscribe.